Jigsaw and a boring attachment and a shaper. Did all of these patterns here, so that's the combined machine. What's astounding, the saw automatically detects contact with human flesh. Down again. So I've got to do a little bit of iron work repair on that on the return. The whole deal with this mechanism that Barnes patented is, you see how it's a ratchet, so I can push down and keep the treadle doesn't have to go back up. Whereas, you know, if it was a direct connect, you'd have to go up, down, no matter what you want. This you just get it up to speed.
And the flywheel is kind of heavy, isn't it?
It's a heavy flywheel. There's a lot of force in that flywheel. I dropped the piece, and you see, look how close the pedals come down to the ground there. You see how close those pedals get to the... Yeah. Well, a block of wood fell down underneath and got under that pedal, but there's so much force in that flywheel that it just kicks the whole lathe up in the air and just into my leg.